Okay, had one of these come in today. Pretty old CB radio, Centurion, or whatever it is there. But really nice little radio. It's got side bands, upper and lower side bands, all kinds of little things and gadgets. But anyways, it came in, power supply wasn't working. Somebody's already been in it and tore up the power supply pretty good, so I had to put in some new diodes, a Xenier, and away she went. She works great, transmits everything. And now I gotta fix all the light bulbs. Light bulb here. Oh my golly, there's one for the clock, one for the transmit, and then every freaking light bulb in it is blown out. And I measured the voltages, and I see I got 17 volts going into those light bulbs. And I'm sure they're only 12 volt light bulbs. So I gotta figure out what's going on with them. And I gotta get the old schematic in this thing. Holy cow. Nice thing. It's vintage. They come with a schematic and everything. Look at that. Nice vintage. I'll get up close. I gotta get this over to a copy machine so I can scan it into a file. But anyways, we're gonna get those light bulbs fixed up, and we'll see what happens after that. Bye.